In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out-of-office auto replies in Outlook 365 if you're going to be away from work, taking time off, or simply unavailable for a period of time. Setting up an automatic reply in Outlook 365 is a quick and helpful way to let people know you won't be responding right away. It helps manage expectations and makes your communication feel more professional and organized. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully open, look toward the top left area of the window and click File. This will take you to the Account and Settings area, where Outlook gives you access to several tools related to your email account. From there, click Account Info. In this section, you'll find details and options connected to the email account you're currently using. One of the most useful options here, especially when you're planning to be away, is Automatic Replies. Click Automatic Replies to open the out-of-office settings. A new window will appear, and this is where you can turn the feature on and customize how it works. Toggle the Automatic Replies option on. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to set the time period for when the message should be active. Set your start date and your end date based on when you want the out-of-office reply to begin and when you want it to stop automatically. This is especially useful because it saves you from having to remember to turn it off later. Just make sure the dates and times are correct, so your contacts receive the message only during the period you intend. Next, you can write your automatic reply message in the message box provided. Keep your message clear and professional. You may want to mention that you're currently out of the office, include when you expect to return, and, if appropriate, let people know when they can expect a response. A short message usually works best, as long as it gives enough information to be helpful. Once you're done writing your message and reviewing the dates, click Save. That's it. Your out-of-office auto reply is now set up in Outlook 365. Before you close the window, it's a good idea to quickly review everything one more time to make sure your dates and message are correct. With that done, Outlook will automatically handle your replies while you're away, helping you stay professional even when you're not at your desk.